So we will try to create next types of campaign. Okay, lead generation. Okay, so this lead generation is the biggest game changer in the industry. Okay, generating leads for the business. So lead generation is really the game changer for the whole show. Every business needs to have leads to be generated, whether they are running a manufacturing industry or whether they are offering a service based industry, whatever it may be. Okay, lead generation is important. Generating leads for your business products or services, so that you can increase your visibility and also the revenue. Okay, no leads, no business, to be very frank. Okay, now let us see what they say about lead generation. Collect leads for your business or brand. Okay, now lead generation. Okay, let me go in a small fast track option. So the basic option of naming your campaign. Okay, so go ahead and we can name it like digital marketing course lead generation. You can name it like this. Do you want to generate leads only from Tamil Nadu? So put it as TM. Okay. Or if you want to generate leads across Chennai, okay, you can put Chennai. Okay. So DMC. Okay, like this. See, remember, I'm sitting in one of my, I'm sitting in the native place of my location. Okay. So now, if I want to generate business leads, okay, from Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, or Trichy, Coimbatore, different location, I need to make sure that my advertisement includes the term online. Okay, because if they are trying to get into their classroom training, obviously I cannot offer right now, right? So the probability is, if people who are looking forward to have online session is what they need to connect with me. So I need to make sure that my advertisement title talks about online, 100% online, practical driven, like that I have to use my statements. Okay, coming down, I'm generating leads. The difference between other campaign and this campaign is generating business leads needs a online form or an application. Okay, that we will discuss at the end. So as usual, like other campaigns, we have the campaign option, the auction system, the bidding system, I mean the alpha beta testing and the campaign budget optimization. Okay, now let me go to the next screen and see. Okay, so how do you want to generate your leads? Okay, there are two options. One is instant forms, which means like when people, okay, look at your advertisement, they want to fill this advertisement, I mean the forms, and you receive their details. Okay, now there is an option, I think Facebook has added it very recently. Okay, I have not come across this calls option earlier. Okay, so let people call your business, which means you have your phone number integrated with this one, so that people can click on your advertisement and they can call and talk to you. So we have a lead technique under Facebook on calls. Okay, so how do you want to connect with people? Through calls or through instant forms? Let us go through the instant forms option first. Okay, and then let us explore the calls option if needed. Okay, now the purpose is this: whichever is one you can choose your landing page or the Facebook page that you want. Now it says you have accepted Facebook leads ads terms in this page, which means, remember, we are trying to run advertisement and generate leads, where in the lead generation process we are having a form, an application form. Okay, where we will be collecting their first name, last name, email address, their details, professional details. Okay, so there is a terms of service. Whenever you are collecting information of people from internet, you need to accept some terms of service. That's very important. Okay, the terms of service is something like, we are collecting your data, you are collecting your first name, last name, but we will not sell your data to other people, number one. Okay, number two, we are collecting your data, we will not misuse it for, or we will not spam your contact. So once we say this, people are very confident where they are procuring or taking your data. Okay, they feel confident, and also people will feel free to submit their contact details to us. Okay, lots of people, once they get people's contact, they use it for spamming purposes. Okay, they spam. Now that's not the way to do it. Now I have accepted the terms of service. If not, you have to click on the view terms, and that will say accept the terms of service. If you have not accepted, then that is how it will work out. Okay, so this is the lead generation concept. Okay, there is option to accept, which I have already accepted. It says lead AdWords terms, and these are the terms. Okay, Facebook provides a feature that enables you to run advertising unit, allowing a Facebook user to provide their email address, other information, lead AdWords. By clicking on agree using this feature, you agree to the following. Okay, so simply take some time and read through it and understand. So in simple terms, if you are collecting people's information, don't misuse it. Okay, we keep it private and don't misuse the data. This is what it says. Okay, now selecting the page has been done. As usual, again the estimated daily result, the reach and also the leads. I will be getting 10 to 29 leads is what it is saying, with the daily budget of 800 rupees. Come on boss, 800 rupees is huge for me. Let me go with rupees 100. Let me talk like a startup business. Okay, let me go not go with the huge money. So it may get a zero leads because of the rupees 100. Okay, now let me remove this restriction. Why? Because it is zero leads for rupees 100. Let me go for 200 and see. Now it's okay. Not for 200. Let me go with rupees 150 and see whether does it say the same error. No. Let me go with rupees 125 and see whether it shows me the same error. It says the leads will be less than 10. Okay, let me go with 150 and see the leads will be less than 10 only. Again 200 rupees. Let me try, the leads is expected to 10 only. Okay, now let me try to change my audience type and other options. Okay, start date, end date is always there. Okay, there is something called show more options. Let's see what happens. I think, oh, this is about scheduling. Okay, how you want to schedule your advertisement? You want to run your advertisement only at 10 o'clock in the morning and 5 o'clock till the evening, something like that. Okay, so now define your audience and let us see. Okay, now the audience is very broad. Or let me try to choose the audience which I have already saved. LM DMC Amadou Kumar expansion. Okay, so I want to target people who are in Chennai with a 40 kilometers radius. Dental audience, I want to target people who are only dental specialists or doctors only. So general audience, which means like I don't have any restrictions, but people who are from Tamil Nadu. Okay, let me go with the DMC general audience so that people who are in Tamil Nadu ends up seeing me advertisement. Okay, so with this I have 1600 to 4600 reach, but less than 10 leads. So I'm not be getting a huge leads is what it says. Now let me check out my placement option. Okay, let me go with manual placement and I try to see the different combination. When I started selecting the lead generation, by default, audience network and messenger were removed. Okay, by default. Now let me try with the Facebook alone. Is there any possibility of getting leads? It is still giving me only less than 10 leads. Let me try Instagram alone and see is there possibility of giving me more leads. Again it says less than 10. So combination of both Facebook and Instagram. Now let me see the reach. 1600 to 4600 reach is what it is showing right now. Okay. Now when I add it only on Facebook, so 923 to 2700. But when I add Instagram, it says 4600. So Instagram is mandatory. Let me try with the Facebook. It says 3100 to 9000. When I remove Facebook, it says 1600 to 4600, 3000 to 900. See, when I remove Facebook, I get more reach. I tend to reach more people. When I add Facebook, I tend to reach only 1600 for the same budget. Now let me remove Facebook and put my ad only on Instagram so that I get a reach of 3000 to 9000 and I generate leads less than 10 only. So what I'm trying to do in order to increase my leads above, about 10. Okay, what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to try different combination. Okay, Instagram feed. Do you want to show me advertisement on Instagram feed? Let me try. When I go with Instagram feed, now it says like no, your audience is very narrow or we cannot able to give you a result. Okay, so let me see the combination here. Instagram feed, again less than 10 results. Okay, I will go with Instagram feed. Okay, so Instagram explore. Okay, what if I don't show it in Instagram explore? 2800 to 8200. Now Instagram explore is mandatory. Okay, so let me come down to try to choose Instagram stories. What if I don't show it on Instagram stories? My reach is remain the same. Okay, 9000. Okay, I think I have no more option to choose from these placements because this always available. Okay, so I have an option of 200. Let me say I need leads of almost 20 to 30 leads every day. Let me try with the 400 rupees budget. Now I get a probability of 5 to 14 leads. and I go with the 500 rupees budget a day. Okay, around 6 to 17 leads. Now based on the number of leads I want, I need to change my budget and see, and also my placement. Now with the 500 rupees placement every day, by selecting the general audience, what if I target Facebook? Let me see, the reach is 7,000, but the reach has become 7,000 to 11,000. I mean 7,000 to 4,000, but when I remove Facebook, it becomes 7,000 to 22,000. But the leads is only 6 to 17. So what I'm trying to say is 7,700 to 22,000 people means like, okay, let me try to show my advertisement to lots of people. The probability of people who are clicking on submitting is subject to variation. Okay. Now, if it allows rupees 500 budget for you, go for it. Otherwise, try to make sure that you have a minimal budget of rupees 200 or 100, but your leads are less than 10. What does it say? This is the number of leads that we estimate that you can get each day based on your campaign performance. If you are a person who wants to run a minimal budget and a campaign, now this is a choice. Okay, let it give it a try whether it is giving us a leads. If not, we will increase the budget and see. Now you are getting the probability of 10 leads and the reach is like almost 3,100 to 9,000, but you are going to pay for leads only, which means when people click on your advertisement and submit the form, you are going to pay money. Now when you are getting less than 10 leads, which means we can say maximum you get 10 leads. Okay, 10 leads for 200 rupees. Now how much you will be spending for each lead? Okay, so I believe so 10 leads for 200. Okay, no, I think I'm calculating it wrong. Okay, sorry, total 200 rupees and you get only 10 leads. So each lead is around 20 rupees worth, and generating a lead with 20 rupees worth is really a great choice. Okay, so if you want, you can restrict your lead value to 20 only. Okay, the cost per lead option, okay, 20 rupees, and see whether is there a error it is showing up. It says your ad set may get a zero leads. Based on how you have set up your ad, we recommend trying following avoid. Raise your cost control from 20. Okay, if not exactly 20, okay, let me go with the 25 approximately. Okay, for each lead, again it says lesser. Okay, so each lead let me go with 50, possibly it is true. Okay, let me go with 45. Okay, it may not be reaching anyone because the cost cap you have entered may be too low. This ad set is not experienced. Okay, wonderful. So let me go with 50. So minimum I will go with 50. Okay, so I'm adding rupees 50 as the condition. Now what happens? So 3,000 to 9,000 people is what my advertisement will be shown. I'll be generating less than 10 leads. I'm going to give it a try, but after running this campaign, if I don't get leads, I can always go ahead and increase my daily budget. Okay, so let me run the safe game, so that we don't end up losing huge money in this advertisement campaign creation process. Okay, so let us look into the next ad set that we have. Okay, as usual. Okay, it takes the Facebook page which is already created, select page at the ad set level for campaign. Okay, so you need to select a page. I already have the Amadkumar page selected. Okay, so that's the reason it is taking me to this place. So look at this one, I have selected the page and I have agreed to the terms of service. So I was on my ad set, I mean like my ad campaign creation. Now I moved on to the ad set option. Okay, now if you see this Facebook page is here, if you want to change the Facebook page, I need to click on the select page option and change it. And my Instagram account I already have, and that is linked to. Okay, now why it is faded? The reason because I'm not showing my advertisement on Facebook, I'm showing advertisement only on Instagram. Okay, so as usual I create your advertisement by uploading a single image or carousel of images. Okay, so clear all the content. Okay, and start uploading your primary text. Okay, so apply. My goal is to make people to click on the link and apply, so I click on apply for digital marketing course right now. Okay, now I need to make sure that I add the term online, or I also term I can also teach people in Tamil medium. Okay, so there is one option. So there are other optional things also. However you want to show your advertisement, you can go ahead and add your content inside. Okay, so the display link, there is something called call to action, which is calling as sign up. Sign up on this is like people have to come, click, and create an account with us. Instead, we can use different terms like apply now. If you are running a course like stuff, clicking on the terms like apply now is the greatest choice. Okay, so the image content whichever is there, nothing is there, I want to add an image. Okay, so let me click on and add a media. I can also add a video, that is my choice. Okay, so let me add an image of my choice, okay, which talks about, okay, so let me try with this image, okay, which talks about my online digital marketing course along with the contact number, so people can call me or they can apply now. So this image is more related to my content. I can also go with the square shape advertisement on feeds. If I look into the square shape advertisement, this doesn't convey any meaning. Half of my photo, I can either keep it like this, but there is a half text being shown. I can go ahead and keep it like this, but the problem is it's not showing me the complete content. Okay, so no other go. I need to resize the image if I want to show it in the square shape. So I'm not going to add the square shape option. Okay, I will remove the square shape option, but the vertical option of 9 cross 16 is matching. Okay, now let me click on done. Okay, so I've added the image. Now this is how the image will look like on Instagram. Okay, so online digital marketing course, apply now. So when people click on the image or they click on the call to action button, they will be taken to a form. Okay, online form. So come down. Okay, you see there's an option to add a call to action. Now if you see how you want to generate leads, there is something called the forms, online forms. Okay, that's some instant form under automated chat. Okay, automated chat is like a robot. Okay, that can reply to people's question when they are trying to chat with you. Okay, this is one option. Otherwise, if you do not want to raise any question, click on the instant form and go to the instant form where you need to create a form. Okay, so there is an option where you can create a form and click on this create a form. You will be getting a pop-up window where you will be asking questions like adding your first name, last name, email address, and all the stuff. Okay, so I already have 2 to 3 different forms created. Okay, see, remember, once we create this form here, okay, we don't have an option to delete it, so there is no use of creating multiple forms. Okay, so once we go ahead and click on this particular form, we need to ask them what are the question needs to be shown to people. Okay, so I have selected a form here, but that form is not supported. Let me try with 18 to 20. Okay, I think this allows a form. Okay, so this is not allowing me a question about the date of birth. Okay, so there are conditions whichever we need to meet, based on which we need to do this. So try to click on these forms. Is there any way we can edit it? See, once the form is created, we also don't have an option to edit it. We can only duplicate the form and change the audience size. Okay, so I can teach you on how to create a lead generation form separately. Okay, maybe this one be very longer. Okay, along with the session. So you need to create a form which says about first name, last name, email address, and other stuff. Okay, and simply have to proceed. So people click and submit the form. Okay, tracking. So this happens within your Facebook advertisement itself. So there is no requirement for tracking. However, if you want to track, okay, you can use the Google Pixel installed on your website, and automatically the tracking process can happen. Okay, so creating a lead generation form. So we may end up getting a leads being generated and the details being submitted. Okay,